She fine. Hey, mommy. Hey, you have some change?
Yes.
Can I get your number?
Número,
Your
no.
phone number?
No, no, no.
Why not? This is my car.
No.
No, this is my car right here. Look. See, look. It's me.
No.
Yeah.
Show me
The
the key.
key, look. Right here.
Oh my God.
Let me.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. No, you know what? No. Hey, never mind. I don't like gold diggers.
What?
No, you're gold digger. Because you didn't like me before. You said no, it was my car.
Okay.
I don't like gold diggers. Got some change. You got some change. Your girl got some. This your girl? You got some change? That's your girlfriend? Can I get her number? Hey, spell some change. Hey, you got, hey, he got me. Hey, man. Hey, you a real nigga. Hey, you a real nigga. Hey, appreciate that, man. Appreciate it, bro. What up, bro? Hey, I'm just trying to get a little gas money, man.
Come on, bro.
What?
All right, you good, bro.
You want it back? Hey, take.
Go ahead, bro.
Hey, appreciate that, man. Appreciate